How to add captions on your Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply click on Sounds and Vibration. After you've clicked on Sounds and Vibration, you'll find Live Caption. Click on Live Caption. After that, you'll find Live Caption at the top in here. To turn it on, simply click on it, which is Use Live Caption. Make sure the white circle is on the right side. After you do that, I am playing this video, and as you can see, Live Caption has been turned on and there is Caption on my Android phone. This is how to add Caption on your Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.